Hello everyone. So welcome to the Punjabi house. Today it is my responsibility to cook lunch for everyone. You must be wondering what I'm doing today. Eating garlic? Yes. I'm making dal makhani. And this inspiration I've got from my mom. Any special occasion, it's always dal makhani. घर पे मेहमान आ रहे हैं, it's dal makhani. And when you have dal makhani, you don't need anything else. In itself is a meal. The most comfort meal. 24 घंटे लगते हैं बनने में, but the best meal I can imagine in my lifetime. So here I've got some boiled dal. This is black dal. This is about 200 grams mixture of black lentils and kidney beans. Black lentils about 150 grams and the kidney beans about 50 grams. See this. So what I've done is yesterday I soaked this. So this is overnight soaked and then boiled. After soaking, it takes about 1.5 hours to boil. When you reach at this consistency, which is slightly more than done, not overcooked, this is where you switch off the gas and you take it out. And then in the entire recipe, it's a very simple recipe. 7 to 8 ingredients. Some garam masala. This we add in the end. When you boil the dal, you add little bay leaf, which you see I've already added. You're going to make garlic and ginger paste. Ginger and garlic paste, I'll show you how to get the right paste. The quantity of ginger garlic paste, ginger should be 20% of the paste and garlic should be 80%. It should not be 50-50. We need some tomato puree, red chili powder, some salt and cream and butter. See, we Punjabis are dairy free. We can have butter 3 times a day. So let's get to the kitchen and start cooking. So all the ingredients are here. Boiled dal. This is organic desi ghee. See, the ginger garlic paste is ready. Don't add too much water when you're making ginger garlic paste. Salt, red chili. These are the whole chilies. Green chilies we'll add in the end. Tomato puree. Kasuri methi is, I'm going to show you how you make the kasuri methi powder and you add in the dal. And ये कुटे हुए साबुत मसाले, this also we're going to add in the end. And first we will start with desi ghee. So now we will start in this kadai. Desi ghee. So in dal makhani you have to be a little generous because taste तो डेरी से ही आना है. So this is something which you have to see very very carefully. अभी जैसे ये घी गरम हो रहा है and now we are going to add the ginger garlic paste. And see, when it's about to get it brown, we are going to add little kasuri methi. So little kasuri methi like this we will add now, okay? And the rest kasuri methi we will make the powder and we'll finish it in the end when the dal is about to get ready. Like this. Give it an extra flavor. You must be thinking that there are no onions in this. Actually, there are no onions. This dal makhani is without onions. And it's a very simple ratio. So now it's almost brown. You see, it's almost brown. So now we'll reduce the flame. So it's a very simple mathematics. no rocket science. Dal, the quantity of dal and the quantity of tomatoes exactly equal. 8 kilo dal or 8 kilo tomato. Like 1 kg dal, the raw dal, and 1 kg tomato. So this is about 200 grams lentil and then 200 grams tomatoes. Yeah, so now we will keep this a little aside. What we will do is we will cook the tomato puree. So this is ghee. Heat the pan. So you heat little red chili powder. Now we are going to add some tomato. This tomato puree we will cook for 5 to 6 minutes and then we will add it in this dal. Tomatoes are cooked. Now we add tomatoes in this dal. And now we are going to leave this about a couple of hours. And after boiling, I have saved some liquid, some water of this dal, which I am going to add now. So this is the water which I had saved after boiling the dal. Now I am going to add this water, this liquid. And then after first boil, I'm going to simmer this for say about a couple of hours, and then this dal will slowly get simmered, and then it will get buttery by itself. Yeah, so dal is almost cooked. We'll take out the bay leaf. Yes, this is fully cooked lentils. So now our 80% work is done. Now what we are going to do is we will strain some dal. We'll remove the peel. Otherwise, while you eat, you'll have to chew this dal. It has to be really mouth melting. And to get that consistency, you'll have to take out the peel of the lentil. So it's almost done. We have taken out almost 50% peel. Yeah, so while the dal is still simmering, what we will do is we'll make the powder of kasuri methi. So of course take a pan, and then you have to dry this. Yeah, so back to the dal. Kasuri methi is ready. This is kuta hua garam masala. I'm going to add some masala to this. And this is the kasuri methi. Now it's dry. We add it like this. Very user friendly, method of adding kasuri methi in the dal. And then when you make this dal makhani, when you reach till the end like this, it has to be really thick, because once you add cream and butter, it's going to get thinner. And always before adding the butter and cream, check the seasoning. If the butter is salty, then ensure you're not adding any more salt. Yes, perfect, because I'm going to use unsalted butter. So the simple recipe of dal is, suppose 1 kg dal, 1 kg tomato puree, 250 grams butter, 250 ml single cream. This is 200 grams altogether. Dal is 200 grams tomato puree, and similar butter and cream about 50 grams, and cream and butter. But you add the cream and butter always in the end, because if you're going to cook with cream and butter, the fat is going to get separate. If you ask me what's my favorite top 5 dishes, I mean, of course I can say 500, but dal makhani will be number 1. So the dal is ready. I'm going to take this out. Green chilies are completely optional. We like adding green chili in our food in the end, but it's completely optional, and you don't have to keep in the recipe. So dal is ready. So this is the right consistency of the dal.